Hey there, it's Anna from the For Real channel. Today we're plunging into the world of Apple Watches and more specifically, how you can restart, force restart, or completely reset one. I bet you've had those moments when you're like, what's wrong with my watch? Well, don't worry, it happens to the best of us. So first things first, ordinary restarting. It's simple as pie, I promise. Press and hold that action button on your watch. Select the little indicator that looks like it's ready for a nap and hit the power off button. Then drag the power off slider and that's it. Your watch is snoozing. Now wake it up again by pressing and holding the side button. A couple of seconds and you should see the Apple logo, which means your buddy is back in action. Hey, before we move on to the more techie stuff, remember to hit the like button if you're finding this helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips like this. And drop a comment if there's anything you're curious about. We'd love to hear from you, and your feedback really helps us create better content for you. Now, what if your Apple Watch turns all stubborn and refuses to restart? That's when you need to put your foot down and insist. Here's how you force restart. Press and hold the action button and the digital crown for about 10 seconds. Once you see the Apple logo, give up the pressure and let it restart. But remember, never force restart while updating your watch OS. It may end up giving you more headaches than solutions. Now the extreme measure, resetting your Apple Watch. This is like moving houses and starting fresh. It's going to wipe all your data and settings, but don't worry, you'll still have all your backups intact. To reset through your iPhone, open the Watch app, tap All Watches, and tap the tiny I button by the device you want to reset. Choose Unpair Apple Watch and then just follow the instructions on the screen. Your iPhone will do the rest of the job, even disabling Find My iPhone and Activation Lock. Alternatively, you could reset directly from the watch. Open up the Settings app on your watch, choose General, and scroll all the way down. Tap on Reset, then select Erase All Content and Settings. You're now back to square one, clean slate and all. And then just use your iPhone and the Watch app to get everything set up again. If nothing else is working and your watch is still acting up, don't hesitate to contact Apple. If you're covered by a warranty, you might just ship your watch back for repair or visit a local Apple store if you have one nearby. Remember, it's okay to need a little extra help sometimes. And that wraps it up for today. I hope this video helped you get over any watch-related blues. Remember to hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, this is Anna from the For Real channel signing off.